Hey guys, this is Frank from Build Your Own, and you know what? This is a 1997 Ford F250 with a 460 in it. It's beautiful. It's for sale. I just took it for a drive, and it's beautiful. I think I might have to try to get this truck. My truck's in the shop right now, getting some work done, and it's not working right. And so I might have to take a look at this truck. It's quite gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Here's the interior right here. It's real nice. It's got 210,000 miles on it. Like I said, it's got a 460 V8. Talking to the sales guy, it is just gorgeous. Look at it. It's got the little diamond plate along the back. The bed had a fifth wheel in there at some point, didn't it? Yeah. It looks pretty good. It's got a huge lift. It's got the spring front end on it. I like it. It's kind of a honey to me. I like it a lot. It's got those diamond plate mud flaps on it. It's really sweet. Yeah, like I said, 1997. It's a crew cab. It's got the little sun visor up there. It's super, super nice. Hi guys, this thing's huge. Sales guy's getting ready to drive it off. He drove it down here for me to check it out. I don't know what size lift it is. The guy self-admittedly says he's not a car guy, he's a people guy, so he doesn't know a whole lot about the truck. All he knows is that a lot of people calling from all over the country want that truck.